Here I have Samsung Galaxy M32, and today I'm going to show you how to enable power saving mode on this device. So first of all, you have to go to the upper bar, and here at the upper bar you have a button power saving mode. Tap on it once and you can enable this mode. You can also change some of its settings by holding your finger on it. For example, you can select which functions of the power saving mode will be enabled. For example, limit CPU speed to 70%, decrease brightness by 10%, turn off 5G. You can also enable limit apps and home screen. And you can switch it here. And that's it. Thanks for watching. If you find this tutorial useful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel.